So we are back with some more NCAA, with some more Buffalo Bulls Dynasty. Now it's been pretty interesting first video of this Dynasty. Obviously last episode we looked at the roster, we named the starters, redshirted some players, scouted some prospects, and now we get into our first game. I said all of them. So we're going for Mike. I call my boy Mike Aura, you know what I'm saying? Mike Aura. He has pretty good speed, acceleration, short accuracy. The accuracy is pretty good. The deep throw, I don't see it here. Well, throw power 92, but don't see it. He has off-platform and magician abilities with mentals of the natural. We are the only one who was offered for Aura for now, but let's see if we get him. Obviously, the running backs here. I like what AJ McClan brings to the table. I like the speed, 91 speed for a elusive back. And then we have this power back with 90 speed. I like it too. And then we look at the wide receivers. I found this 96 overall speed. Here we go. Keenan Khalid. 96 speed. I like it. I like it a lot. Now his route running is not the best. The release is not the best. Catching is 76 overall, so it's pretty good. But the speed is what we're looking for. We're looking for speed on the on the offense. And so if we get someone like Keenan Khalid, it's gonna be very important. Now we are fighting with UConn and I believe Rutgers, but we're not far away, so I believe we should be able to get him. Obviously we got Sinalao, Tio, pretty good speed. And then we got this monster physical 4-star Stan Henderson, who has good speed. The jumping is 93, pretty good. He's a physical wide receiver. Oh, what happened? He's 6'2". I should probably go for someone else, but for now, it's decent. I don't think we're number 2 for him, so we should be able to beat out Syracuse. Who knows? The tight end, we're not looking for nobody. While the tackles, we're looking at one tackle with George Griffin. Bro, I keep on getting confused. We are number 8 currently. I like it. He has good strength, good pass block power, run block power. Everything's pretty decent for a 3-star recruit. Regarding one guard, we are going after one guard. John Kuma looks pretty decent. The defensive ends is where I'm trying to get at. We're not able to scout them for now. At least 2 of them. We know Cameron McQuide. That's how you say it? McQuide? I think that's how you say it. McQuide. He looks okay. We're currently 5th. He has no offers, but let's see. 3 defensive tackles. We've only been able to scout one of them. Like I said, we need to scout more. One linebacker. We don't know much about Ray Bullocks. Didn't I scout him before? I feel like I did. And then obviously one cornerback for now. Then 2 safeties. Damn, we got locked out of Robert Bartu. Don't know why, but hey, it is what it is. Seems like Rutgers might be winning the commitment for Stephen Income. I don't know how to say that. And that's all the prospects for now. We have about 70 prospects. But enough of that. It's time to get to a real game. The first game of the season for the Buffalo Bulls. I can't wait to see what the team looks like. Obviously, we're not looking to win the championship the first year. The best I can look forward to is maybe winning. I predict us to win at least 5 games, to be honest. The quarterback's decent. The speed is decent, you know what I'm saying? Proficient at FCS school, you know what I'm saying? They're not that good, to be honest. So we should be able to win. But we'll see, because the team is not good. Alright. So we're returning it. Sterling. It's wide open. Ooh. Alright. There I am. You know, I get the mullet, you know what I'm saying? So CJ Ogbonna, the senior out of Alabama. Or Georgia, my bad. Didn't I say Alabama? I thought I said Alabama. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go with the run game real quick. Let's see if it's going to be very good this year or if it's going to be bad. Sterling goes to the outside. Sterling. Ah, okay. Pretty good first run for some box. Okay, so we got to switch up the play right here. Let's go with the play action wide receiver. If we're going to play action, we might have something down deep. We'll see though. Maybe Morrow, maybe. Oh, Lord. So we get sacked. 3rd and 14. I gotta go with the screen right here. Barksdale finally in the game. See, see, they're showing. I think they're playing cover. No, they're playing man. They're playing man. They're playing man. Screen. Barksdale. A lot of grass. It's gonna be short. 4th and 1. What do we do here? We're at our own 48. I want to go for it. I'm going for it. I gotta go for it, bro. Because we're not competing for nothing this year. So what risk do I get from not going for it, right? Nothing. So I'm looking to go for either Barksdale or coming in with the tight end Orlando on the short pass. It's gonna be Orlando. It's gonna be Orlando. Who gets the first down? Buffalo Bulls. All right. So we're going to the same play. I gotta run here. I know they're second in box. Let's see. Nice. Sterling goes to the outside. Sterling has a wide open lane. He's gonna juke him. Ah, should have stepped on him. I should have stepped on him. But so far we've been running the ball very well. I believe that it's going to be a strength of the team, to be honest. With Barksdale getting his first carry of the season, he's going to break a tackle, and he's going to get a loss of 2. Not the best first run for Barksdale on the year, but see, let's go with washout across. Let's get some passing name for my boy Agbana. Try to see if we can pass it deep to McMillan here. We're probably going to go underneath, to be honest here. Let's see. Oh, he's gonna get sacked. Ah, there was nobody wide open, bro. At least I didn't see it, bro. If people in the comments, bro, if y'all see anything open, bro, feel free to bash me. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm not the best of the game, bro. Now we are playing the Heisman. I forgot to show you guys, but I'm playing the Heisman. Oh, I see that. Come on, Morrow. Ah, incomplete. I tried to go deep. East. They have Dorian Neal and Jarvis May, 2 running backs. I don't know who the quarterback is. So they're going with 3 running backs, no tight ends, 2 wide receivers. Alright, so we're playing with man here. Obviously, we're gonna play man. Let's go with Dolak. Dolak gets the first tackle for law. We're playing man. Oh no. Oh, wide open! Oh no, defense. What is going on? Defense wide open. We were playing man. Bro, weren't we playing man? Bro, I swore we were playing man. I do not know what happened there. Marcel Matthews, the senior out of FCS East. Let's look at the replay, bro. We were playing man. So here it is. Number 17 right here. All right. So Matthews, a wide receiver. So he's running the outgo, I think. Number 1, Oliver's supposed to be covering him right there. But pass interference. Offensive pass interference with Skies. Skies took him out to play. Number 5, I believe that's, MacArthur Nurse. He was guarding number 4, Skies. But Oliver was taken out by him, and it left Matthews open. The refs, look at the ref right there, bro. What are you looking at, bro? You're clearly looking at the play. What are you looking, bro? Did you get paid by an FCS school, bro? Look at that. There's no way. You're clearly seeing that right there. But no flags. No flags. Wow. Wow. I can't believe it, bro. The refs are already getting paid by an FCS school, bro. They're really scared of us. They're really scared of us. Damn, bro. I got hiccups, bro. With Barksdale. Nice run right here. But Barksdale gets a block. These hiccups, bro. Okay, I like this play right here. I like this play design right here.
Looking for a man. It's Agbana.
I got it tied in. Nah, oh, you dropped it.
Through his fingers, incomplete. That would have been a huge gain if he could have squeezed it. They went up top on 2nd and short. Surely they stick to the ground here on 3rd and inches.
It's a run.
They'll try to run
Barks.
for it.
Sperling.
Coming through that to the ground.
Barks still gets the first down. What?
They needed an inch.
Damn, bro. No shot. Barks still didn't get the first down here. He clearly crossed the line. Is that not a first down? Like, look where the ball is. It's on the line. It's a first down, ref.
Didn't get it. This defense gives up nothing, and you'll like it. Less than a yard to go for a first down, and the offense will remain on the field.
We're going for this. Sterling.
Trying to show
Freshman. Trucks, and he's going to get stopped.
down. They stop him short of the marker, and they'll turn it over on down.
He's going to get stopped.
For the offense.
I don't like the offense they be running, to be honest.
We'll give him a couple on that with 2nd and 8 coming up. Stuck with a running game on first down. Now here they come again. Goes to the option.
Oh, hell no.
And they make the
Bro, what type of offense is this? And my hiccups don't stop, too. I'm going with the blitz right here with Murdy. Wide open. Wide open. He doesn't go down. Is he a fullback, bro? No shot. The same play again.
He breaks a tackle. Defense is there to make the stop, but he's got the first down, and they'll have it 1st and goal at the 6. On the doorstep of cashing it in for the offense.
Gotta log in.
They'll run it on 1st and goal. They get him on the ground at the 3-yard line, but this defense is taking some punches. If you don't tip the scales at 3 bills, stay on the sidelines. Big boys in the goal line deep.
Finally, a normal run, and we stopped.
Goalie carries again. He had all kinds of company as soon as he got it. He had to fight his way back just to get to the line of scrimmage. And they'll try it again after getting nothing on 2nd down. It's 3rd and goal from the 3.
And it's a touchdown. And my hiccups don't stop. It's like the refs paid them to give me hiccups too.
And that's exactly what this offense is doing. Running it and throwing it. It's okay to repeat plays.
Oh, Lord. These hiccups, bro.
And I would also say, Palmer,
Oh, I see him.
my defense is not
I see him.
great, so
Intercepted. I don't know what I was trying to do there. I was trying to pass it a circle. I got hit when I threw the ball. Not the best decision.
with these conditions, it's not easy to catch for the offensive.
And now we're back on defense with these weird ass runners.
Here comes the option.
Thank you.
And he's stuffed by that big defensive tackle up front.
Can someone tell me how to get my hiccups off, bro? How do I get rid of my hiccups?
On the option. And they
go.
try to run inside, and there is nowhere to go.
I'm playing zone here.
Last 2 runs got a big fat nothing. Let's see if they try to go up top on 3rd and 10. He's looking to throw.
Come on.
Got it.
Stop him.
It's O'Neal.
Alright,
And
they're going for it.
he's not going to make it. The defense denying him the first down. We've reached the 2-minute warning, and they will try to build on what is already been a dominant first-half performance. Well, they're certainly not out of field goal range here, but they want
Bring the
to
safety
try to
down.
pay off this drive with a touchdown.
And we stop him. A big stop.
He's looking to throw it.
Nice. I got him. Deep to McMillan. He got it. He got it.
Down.
Okay, here we go. Here.
Throw again after the incompletion. Still looking on the move.
The wide receiver got kick out. Number 2. Who is that? Who is that? Jenkins. Jenkins. Oh, they're gonna check it. Nah, he caught that. Got the clear touchdown. Let's go. We are officially on the board on the season.
And the play will stand after the replay booth just
First touchdown of the season. It's a passing touchdown to Jenkins. Wide receiver.
A lot of eyeballs on your game, guys, and a few on this interesting matchup as well. NC State has the lead right now. This team can really open up the playbook at times.
All right,
but
come on.
I'm not sure this game is
21.
over just yet. They're up
Now, defensively, we got to get better. I don't like the running plays that they're putting out here.
but of course, if anything changes,
It's weird.
we'll see it right here.
Like, they're killing us with, like, ah!
snagged in the middle. Absolutely humming
Oh,
as they come to the
fuck
line
these
again.
hiccups, bro.
Moving the running back, trying to get
Gonna
the
go with
D
that
to
run.
tip its hand. On the run.
Come on, Oliver. Oliver.
At the 35, it's got room. And a nice second down coming up. He's looking to throw.
Ah, incomplete. Nice.
And that pass
He hits Oliver's body,
on
I
second
believe.
down, that brings up
We
third
get the
down.
incompletion.
We'll see
Now
if
let's
they go
play.
back
Let's
to the
play
air
cover
after
3.
the incompletion. It's 3rd and 5. With the catch, it's Matthews.
Come on. He's in bounds. He's in bounds.
Catch there, and
Right.
they'll have enough for the first down. And this junior quarterback shows you why the scouts love that big arm of his. They'll throw it on first down.
And it's a touchdown to the wide receiver.
End zone.
It's easy for them. It's easy for them. I don't like the way defense is playing. We gotta make some adjustments,
Way here in the step.
especially on the outside, outside the line, outside the lines. Bro, these hiccups, bro. I'm tired, bro. Stop.
The defense right now on their heels.
Sorry, y'all.
No answers. The offense doing whatever they want.
I'm just tired. See what Bridges can do here.
From inside his
Bridges has
just enough speed.
he had a touchdown right there.
Let's mark it at the
All right.
27-yard line.
Should I go deep here? Try to take a chance.
Dwindling
I mean,
away
why
as they
not?
try to put points on the board right before the half.
Let's go with play action. Dagger. Bro, I hate these hiccups, bro.
Off play action on
See.
first down.
Oh, I see him wide open.
Throws to the
I see him
right.
wide open. McMillan.
He's got an open
Yeah.
man.
Yes, he got out of bounds. 1 second left.
Fouls, but not before turning in a big
Now let's go deep now.
and moving the sticks for a first down.
I love
Formation.
the play call. I love full verts. Stretch the defense out. Everybody's running deep down the field. Find my matchup. The guy I like against their guy. Go attack him.
Let's go with Red Zone Scissors. That's a weird ass name, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go to McMillan here.
Before the half.
See what happens.
To the air on first down.
Nobody.
Buys
Square's
the
open.
time.
Square's open.
Plenty of time
Yes.
to fire
Go.
it.
No.
They finally make
Morrow.
the stop. That's gonna make those
Morrow.
stats look
If he would have shaken off that tackle, he would have had a touchdown for us.
First half in the books. Time now to join
All right, so halftime report.
our halftime update.
We're down by 14.
Yourselves a superb
You see the confusion here. The passing offense. Not bad for us. I'm gonna stop it though.
On the
There we go.
outside.
I hate that play, bro. Why do they keep on running that play?
Second and 9. Tried to pound it on first down. Now back to the line.
And,
On second down, he'll fire. Makes the grab. It's Matthews. Backyard, straight tackle there. Kept it on the ground on first down. See if they stick with that plan on second. He's looking to throw.
he's gonna get a sack by Murder.
Wreak some havoc and get the sack.
First sack of the season. The sophomore out of Virginia, Red Murdoch, has the sack. Now we pin him to 3rd and 3rd. I mean 3rd and 16. Let's see if we can get a stop here. Bro, these hiccups, bro. I'm about to literally like destroy them, bro.
On 3rd and long, hoping to throw beyond the sticks.
Someone?
Gonna
No
take
way.
off.
This defense is. This defense is.
Running back understanding where where his hole is. Go hit it, get the first down. Don't mess around. Nice job following his hole, getting positive yards.
Come on, off defense.
Complete downfield. Now he's got it all the way down to the 21-yard line, and they are
Trying to disguise,
first
but
down. And the astronauts come to line with a fresh set of downs.
come on. Come on. No, how?
They'll wrestle him down just short of the first down. I think
This defense is unbelievable, and it's hiccups.
operating in the red zone here on
Bro, I'm really getting pissed off, bro.
They'll run the option.
And
He
it's the first down.
pushes his way down to the 4 and
Bro, I'm drinking water, everything, bro. Like,
Those fullbacks are grown men. Those guys are constantly hitting linebackers and blocking the whole entire game. So when you get
see, look, it doesn't stop, bro.
deploy the ball, it's always, and you know what it is? It's a morale boost for everybody on the whole field.
Man up.
Everybody gets jacked up, and he finally gets the
that's it. That's just right there, but Dolak.
way all the way down to the 3, and the defense is reeling. We'll see if the offense can punch it in.
Look,
on
I'm pissed right
second
now,
and
bro.
goal. Trying to surge it in. And they
Dolak
try to
again
go
at the
this
play again.
defense, and that is not
Bro, I'm getting pissed off, bro.
After getting stuffed, what do they have for an answer here on 3rd and goal from the 2?
Someone get out there.
And this one
We'll get the
will be
4th down stop. Are they gonna go for it? They are.
Man, it has been a long drive.
Going with man coverage right here. They're going with 3 running
Pay
backs.
this off and be aggressive. You're down close. Punch it in for a touchdown here, Paul.
Yeah, and inside the 3-yard line. I think
And-
that might
And he takes it to the house. Touchdown, astronauts.
It's unbelievable. Now I want to check if maybe his knee touched the ground first. Bro, F you and F all your hiccups, bro. Oh, wait. How do I? Was his knee down? Was the knee down? You're lying, right? It wasn't down? Wow.
Hey, let the big show
Down by 21 is crazy.
mask guy get a
First game of the year. We're down by 21. F the hiccups. And F FCS East.
get that extra point through.
Because they're playing some very weird football right here, bro.
About to kick it away after scoring
And we just can't stop number 40, bro. Look, is that Kyle Hughes checks cousin or brother, bro? Stop, bro.
and he'll be brought down at the 24. Offense headed back to the
We gotta start passing here. We can't be running the ball.
touchdowns if you're going to get back in it, David. The time to start.
Bro, that's not the play I picked.
Gotta start now. Defense
He
is
doesn't
getting
give some
points
time,
on
bro.
the last possession again. The offense is gonna have to score, and Jesse probably score pretty quickly.
Yeah, you gotta go.
I gotta run here with Ogbonna.
Ogbonna. As you can throughout the rest of this game, but I think more than that, you gotta eliminate the negative plays. No more penalties and no more turnovers.
Looking to pass. It's Agbana. Unloads it left. Excellent coverage and good.
We're lucky that wasn't not an interception right there.
Love the competitive nature by the defender on that play. That's just a 50-50 ball, and that defender swatted it away.
Maybe Jenkins here.
Throw on 3rd down.
Supposed to RB.
Not quite in rhythm there. Incomplete.
What are you doing? We gotta go for
After
it.
struggling so much in the first
We're going
half,
with
I thought they
Steck.
would have made some adjustments here at halftime to see if we can open up this passing game, but early on,
These
in the
hiccups,
second
bro.
half, you're just not really able to get that done.
I'm going with
Incompletion on
Barksdale.
3rd down in your own end,
Barksdale get the first down.
forcing them to punt.
Thank you.
They didn't
Thank
get
you.
a ton of yardage there, but they were really effective at using the back out of the backfield, and they do it to get the first down here.
And they're showing you their intentions early in the game. It's 4th down, you're in your own end. We're going to be aggressive.
Go. We got him. We got him. We got him. How does the cornerback get there, bro?
Now the play fake. And that pass intercepted. Got some room to run. The 20.
Come on, Ogbonna.
And they
He saves the touchdown for now. But horrible pass, bro. I thought the receiver was gonna stay there.
Nice play by the DB. Most people say
Because it gave me the, it gave me the The look up, no run. I mean, of no route, and it's gonna be a touchdown. Easy, bro. Who's number 42, bro? Who's number 40, bro? Like, bro, isn't it? I don't even. Is he a real person, bro? York.
They are showing you a little bit of
It's not looking good, bro. Bro, the hiccups gotta go. The hiccups got to go.
exactly how they scripted.
Fade.
Looking for a man. It's Agbana.
Never mind.
Oh, he's ready.
I like this wide receiver, and he's gonna be picked.
And he throws another interception. His third one of the night. And he's wrapped up after a solid return.
Yeah, that's the whole key reason.
I'm gonna bring him down again.
Big fella gets some steam, so you gotta stop him in his tracks right away. The only way you do that is with penetration.
Why don't you go to the ball, bro? Like,
He's there to make
he's standing there.
damage has been done as they pick up the first down on the throwing catch. The astronauts come to
This team is incredible. Go with Brown. Go with Brown. Ooh, to the outside, make Cartons.
He's knocked down in the back.
Let's go. Lost for tackle. I like it.
It's going to be tough sledding for the offense.
I like it.
They're trying to ice this game by running the football and bleeding the clock. They've got a pretty good lead here late in the game, but the defense knows the run's coming, right? So they're going to be loading the line of scrimmage.
Nice, De Leon.
What they just did.
Now, look, the game is over.
They've got it right
But
on the
at least if we can get some plays from the defense, try to see like if we have potential, try to see if any player does anything, I'm down.
throws for the
Going down the middle, easy touchdown. Dolak didn't run with the tight end. Don't know why.
down has ensued.
Easy touchdown from the junior from Maryland.
These players came together. I've been
Shout out,
so
Maryland.
impressed, not just by the talent, but also
But overall, an ugly game.
handling this
Um,
kind of environment in the first
It's gonna be a long. I mean, what's the point, bro?
Last drive.
They
Now,
lost.
how will they respond,
Lost.
Jesse?
And this is the kind of guy who's going to take
Oh,
full
come on.
accountability. That was my bad. That's on me. I'm about to lead this offense now down the field and score some points.
Dang, Palmer, I wish I would have played with you. I didn't play with many quarterbacks that were just like, yeah, my bad. Hey, guys, I got this. Sorry about that. It was more, you should have ran a
I
better
like
route.
that. To the running back, Sterling. He's been our offense, to be honest, all day. He's been the only player that's wanted to win. Let's try to see if we get to McMillan here. No, that's not what I meant to do. Incomplete. Thank you. Even though the game is over, I just don't want to look bad on here, bro. Because I'm not a bad player, I promise. I know I am at times.
Let's see if they throw it again. They keep attacking through the air.
I see the tight end right there, or the wide receiver. I don't know.
Finds his man. It's
Can't tell no one.
and the
Everyone is just so ass, bro.
the line. They'll go to the air on 3rd and short.
Good with the running back, Barksdale.
It's on target.
Try to see if we can do it. Stop going backwards.
He's ruled down right there, but he'll have plenty to move the sticks.
Incredible.
Inside the red zone, 1st and 10 from the 19.
Jenkins.
Trying to
Yeah, we got
catch the
Jenkins.
drive with the pass.
Jenkins is a touchdown. Oh my lord! I thought he completed. Touchdown, Buffalo Boys. The second passing touchdown of the game. Hey, we're down by what? 28. We've got to go with the onside kick here, obviously, right?
The deficit is huge. This one is all but over, but they'll
Low
keep
kick.
trying and line up for the onside
Like it.
kick.
This is a whack it. Come on.
He's able to grab the football in the
We were almost able to get it. Look, they're gonna be running the play. I mean the ball, so we might as well just blitz, right?
They'll move the running back to try to force the defense.
They went to the outside. No one is there, and it's gonna be a free touchdown.
And they're gonna put another one into
I just don't know. I said we were gonna make adjustments, and I did, and I. No, I'm not gonna lie. I did not make any adjustments, bro. So it's a deserved loss, to be honest. It's very deserved. We just weren't a better team today. I think it's been decent, but the defense,
They're gonna throw it to
defense,
start the drive.
boy.
Oh, he had him right down the middle, and it just
Bro, the refs are getting paid, right? There's no shot. You guys saw this, right? It's an easy incompletion. McMillan beat him. He caught it. Oh, no, never mind.
and long. Ball's at the 25.
Johnson under, Jenkins underneath.
Back, it's Agbana.
I got Johnson, though.
Looking for a hit,
And it's going to be out of bounds.
and that one's
I mean, I gotta go with. Look, the game is over. I'm going for it, bro. Game's over. We gotta do something here. I don't know what, but we got to. Looking for Morrow here with the tight end. Tight end. Short first. First game of the season will be now. Don't run it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Thank you. Lose 49-14. I mean, we were just dominated, to be honest, on all aspects of the game. Their offense was just better than our defense, to be honest. And our defense is just not good. Couldn't stop the run. It was blown coverages. Couldn't guard no receiver. It's a scary sight, to be honest. And when we look at the stats here, they only had 14 first down compared to their 21. Total offense, it's not bad for us. 306, they had 420. Yards per rush, we had 3.7. Pass, yards per pass, 8. We threw 3 interceptions. I mean, we can't win when we have 3 interceptions thrown, right? Obviously, time of possession. And also, guys, if I plan on 5 minutes, I don't know if you guys would like me to bump it up to like 10, 8, 15. You guys let me know in the comments, bro. Agbana, I mean, he was okay. I mean, yes, most of these yards are garbage time yards, but I think we're able to win with him, to be honest. We just gotta be smarter with the team. Some of it was my fault for pressing the button by accident, but yeah. And then the rushing game was decent, but we had to get away from it because the game was just getting away from us. So we had to pass, and I mean, I guess it was decent, right? You know, Sperling was averaging 8 per carry. Wide receiver wise, you know, Jenkins seems like the best receiver we have. I mean, I think he is. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, McMillan is, but yeah, 2 touchdowns. McMillan had the big catch, 46-yard reception, and then, you know, we had running back Sperling, and then Todd G. Johnson. The O-line, it wasn't bad. We were pressured a couple times, but only allowing 1 sack, not bad. The defense, I mean, we stopped the run, right, for a couple times, but only had 1 sack, no interceptions. Couldn't guard the wide receivers, and it was just a horrible game for the defense, to be honest. And just look at FCS East. Passing, I don't know why it says that, but receiving wise, Marcel Matthews, the senior, he went crazy against us. He just went crazy. He had a 79-yard touchdown, which, in my opinion, bro, I don't count that against the defense because it was a clear offensive penalty, pass interference against us, bro. But the refs are blind. They get paid under the table, of course. But it's no excuse. That play doesn't excuse the losing that we got today, the beating that we got today. You saw this fullback went 18 attempts, 95 yards, 2 touchdowns, broke 5 tackles, 46 yards after catching 1 20+ yard run. And then you had the other running back, Jarvis May, who went for 5 for 65. And then the other quarterback, starting quarterback, my bad. He had a pretty good game too. Passing wise, he was efficient. They even brought the backup in at one point, and he scored a touchdown on us too. So not a good sight for us. We're low the receiving defense. They had 2 sacks on us. One of them was on the offensive line. 3 interceptions. They stopped the run. They were playing good defense. And we just got to improve, to be honest. I don't know what I'm gonna do for now, but obviously something has to change. Offense, I think we're decent. defense just it's gonna be ass. It's gonna be ass, and something that I expected to start the year. As we get the weekly advanced summary, then we're D-minus now with championship contender. We got an update for Dan Henderson, who were number 2 in the interest. He narrowed down to top 8. Syracuse is the first. We went up from 3 to 2nd, I believe. We're still fighting for him. Hopefully we get him. If not, hey, we'll see. So, with that being said, thank you for watching the video. I know the defense has to change a lot, and we will. I promise we will. Next episode, we will be facing number 9 Missouri. It's not fun. It won't be fun.